Hi guys, it's Paula and I hope you are doing well. This is going to be my first update for the Friends Project Pan 2023. This project is going to be a 6-month-long project that ends on August 17th. It was created by Amy from Curly Loves Books and Beauty, and it is a large group collab, so I will have everybody linked down below in my description box. It's rolling, and all of the prompts in this project are related to the Friends TV show. I don't have any new empties for this update, but I do have some progress to show you guys. So let's get into it. There are 16 prompts in total, but I'm only working from 5 of these prompts at the moment. The first one being for Monica. All of the prompts are different characters. And the prompt for Monica is your cleanest product. And I ended up going with the face wash I am currently panning. It is from Soap and Glory, and it is a big guy. A very, very big guy. And I knew I wasn't gonna make quick progress on this. I could tell, even though I'd only been using this for a few weeks, that it is going to last a very long time. But I just wanted to get an idea of how long it's gonna last. So I figured I would put it in this project and mark my progress from 1 month to the next and take it from there. And oh my gosh, look at this. This is where I was at the intro, and this is where I am now. So I would say this is about a 2-year supply of face wash based on that progress. And I have 2 of these. Holy cow. I am really enjoying that face wash a lot. I have it in my shower right now, so I use it in the mornings. At some point, it might move to my bathroom counter and I might start using it at night, but I am enjoying it very much, and I think it's a good value because it is going to last forever. The next person was Rachel, and the prompt for Rachel is a high maintenance product. I knew I had to go with a hair care product because hair care in general is high maintenance for me. And so I have this deluxe sample of the Big Sexy Hair Blow Dry Volumizing Gel that I got in an Ipsy bag a long time ago. And I've made decent progress. This is where I was at the intro, and this is where I am now. I would say that based on that progress, I could use this up within 2 more months. I think it's gonna take 2 more months to get through all this. I might have a little bit more progress on this by next month because I was still finishing up a different hair care product when I rolled this into this project. So yeah, I think I could finish this bottle off in 2 months. Okay, the next person I picked was Ross. And unfortunately, I used the wrong prompt. That was my bad. I had read off an earlier draft copy of prompts and the people that Amy was kind of brainstorming with, and she had shared it with us. That wasn't the prompt she ended up going with. I can't even remember what the prompt was that she ended up going with, but the correct prompt is in my description box. Unfortunately, the prompt that I went with is a product that you're anxious to finish, and that's not the right prompt. So I apologize, but I'm just gonna stick with that prompt for this project because I already picked the product out. And yeah, if you're gonna do this project, go with the prompt for Ross that's in my description box, not the one about the product you're anxious to finish. Anyways, the product I chose is a MAC lipstick because MAC is discontinuing their reward in their Back to MAC program. They will still offer Back to MAC. They're just not gonna give you a free lipstick for turning in, I think it's 6 MAC products. That's being discontinued. So all of a sudden I was trying to beat the clock and finish as many MAC products as I could, which is ridiculous because what was I thinking? I don't know what I was thinking, but I got a little bit crazy for a minute and I threw this one in here, and I'm nowhere near finishing it. And we only have 2 weeks left before the Back to MAC thing ends. So I need to get to MAC like this weekend and just call it. Like wherever I'm at is where I'm at. But I wanted to see how far I could get with this lipstick, and this is where I currently am. For some strange reason, I didn't mark this on the paper, and I don't know why, but I do have a picture of it. So hopefully I could compare it to that picture and we could see if it looks any different. I feel like it might be a little bit stubbier. I'm not sure. I am wearing it today. I've been wearing it quite a bit. I've been enjoying it very much. So that's all good. But there's no way I'm gonna finish this off in the next 2 weeks, and I'm not really sure why I thought I even had a chance. I don't know. All right, the next person is Mr. Traeger, and that is a product that fixes your look. I went with a product I've never used before. This is the Trish McAvoy Correct and Brighten Concealer. It's a orangey peachy concealer that I like to use under my eyes, and I have been enjoying this product immensely. There was definitely a bit of a learning curve because it is a pen style that you click up, and I wasn't, oh, it's overflowing at this very moment. Anyways, I wasn't sure how many clicks to give it every time I used it. In the end, I've settled on like 3 to 4. Apparently 4 is too many, but usually if I click it 3 or 4 times, I get enough product. It does take a minute for the product to come up, but I usually get enough product in 3 or 4 clicks, and it took me a minute to figure that out. But now that I know it, it's going very well. I have no way to measure progress on this, so when it's gone, it's gone. But yeah, I've been really enjoying this product a lot, and it's good for my under eyes. Usually I like something with a little bit more pink compared to orange, but I don't know, I feel like my under eyes are looking okay. And the final character that I focused on was Marcel, and that's a product with animal pattern, packaging, or name. And for that, I chose my pink leopard blush from Too Faced out of my little black book of bronzers. This isn't, I've been calling this a blush. I've only worn it once in the past month. This is the product I used the least out of everything. And that's because the one time I did use it, I didn't like the way it looked on me at all. And I don't remember having that feeling about this blush in the past. I've used this blush before, and I thought it was a nice blush, but for some reason, when I put it on the other day, it did not look good on me. And so I just haven't been reaching for it. I'll get back into it. I'll definitely get back into it. But yeah, it was really glowy on my cheeks, and not in like a pretty angelic way, in like she overdid it on the bronzer kind of way. I believe my goal for this product is to hit pan on it, so I got a long way to go, and I need to start using this, but hopefully I will get into this over the next month, because I only used it once this past month, which is too bad. That is it for this update, you guys. Don't forget to check out everybody linked down below that's also doing this collaboration project. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.